is nuts. Alright guys, I'm in the stock map 2. Dang, it already said, okay. I noticed I hit the power button and the battery goes down really quick. Like it went from 99 to 92, but then when you let off, it comes back up. I didn't realize it moved around like that. I can already tell you I love this thing. Oh my God, the acceleration you can get out of the corners is nuts. This thing is wild. Little, might be a little slick down through here. Oh my God, I love it! I absolutely love this thing. It's so stable. It's going straight through over the bumps and stuff. I'm surprised. That must be because of the weight. I can feel it in my hands. I've got the feedback in my hands like I had on the grass track. It's not bad, you can just feel it. It also definitely has more momentum coming into corners. You can feel that. But I turned down that regenerative braking to 30, and I think the horsepower is right at 50. And it feels pretty perfect. It feels faster than my 450 out of the corners. I mean, it's just freaking nuts. And it feels lighter in the corners and stuff. Oh, she's a beast. I don't know how you'd ever ride this thing on a moto track at 80. I got a feeling this thing's gonna chunk tires and chunk them quick. Good thing I know where to get tires. AOMC, which is a good time to let you guys know if you appreciate those videos. Please grab your parts from AOMC or a small owned and operated dirt bike parts website in Appalachia. It's bad. Yeah, so map 2 with the regenerative braking turn. I just tried to grab the clutch, guys. With the braking turn down to 30, I'm liking a lot. Riding over here to the track, I could tell. Oh my God, this thing's awesome. All right, let's pump it to map 3. I think that's a couple more horsepower. I don't know what the braking's set at though. Definitely more braking. Too much braking for me. Going back to map 2. The turns, guys. The turns and pulling right out of straights. That's where this is going to be gas bikes. There's no waiting on anything to spool up. My 450 is a pretty powerful bike, and still that motor has to kind of build power. This one doesn't, man. Now my right hand is cramping more on this bike than I remember it on the 450. So I don't know about that. Could be a bar grip issue. Let's try a start. It's insane, dude.
Not bad.
Throw it up into map 5 and try to start. Oh my God! You can't even hold it down. I'm in map 5. That's 60 horsepower. Oh my God.
Insane, bro.
This thing is nuts. Like, I knew it was nuts, but it's a whole different level than I even thought it was. Oh my God. I gotta see what map 1 or map 5 was power wise. So map 5 was 60 horsepower and 80 braking. Now when I drove it over here, I could tell, like, you let off the throttle and it almost lurches you forward. It's got so much engine braking, and that's that regenerative braking. But you can turn that up or down. So the more you turn that up, the more it's going to feel like a 4-stroke, like your old 426. And the more you turn it down, the more it freewheels like a 2-stroke. I turned it down from 80 to 30. Awesome. I would get rid of my 450 and never ride another gas motocross bike ever again. I'm ready to say that after one session.
Sure it's alright for me to ride on this?
Yeah, what do you mean?
I just didn't want to fuck up your berms and stuff.
Oh no, you can't. I'm getting ready to till it all in a couple days.
Alright.
Yeah. Just if it gets like super dusty, maybe hit the grass for a second if we're riding, but no, yeah, rip the hell out of it.
I got you.
Dude, this is amazing. You need to ride this.
I will.
Dude, it's nuts.
Dude, it's... I've seen him do a whole shot on it.
Dude. Insane.
Let me ride it.
Take it. Oh my God, Maverick!